Hi, I'm Niall. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the first installment of a new series on this channel where we're touring beautiful spaces. Today we're at 1372 Gus Thornhill Jr. Drive in Atlanta, Georgia. We're at this beautiful property. It's a new construction with an open concept first floor and a completely modern, all new details throughout the house. It's got 2,700 square feet, including the 2-car garage. It's absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. I can't wait for us to go inside and check it out. But first I have to give a special thank you to United Real Estate Investment Group for allowing us to tour their property. Okay, enough details. I don't want to keep us waiting. Let's get inside. Okay. So we're finally inside. Right now I'm in the foyer area and I'm gonna walk us through this open concept first floor here. So when I first walk in, one of the main things that really strikes me are these custom built windows that are bringing in so much natural light, which is so important in a home, at least to me. And along with these custom built windows are these super high ceilings that make the space feel even larger than it is. A really grand, dramatic feeling when you first walk into a house, which is another thing to check on my list. Another great detail of this living room is this fireplace here. Who doesn't love a fireplace? And we all know Atlanta's pretty hot, so you might not want that on all year round, but this is digital, so it can be turned on and off with a switch. On the second floor, we're going to see some carpeting in the bedrooms, but on the first floor living spaces, we have this flooring that's really similar to hardwood. Another great thing to notice when you first walk into this house is this grand staircase leading up to the second and third bedrooms here. This staircase is so beautiful to me. I'm really loving the railing here that is not only a safety feature, but also a stylistic niche. Really loving the details that the builders have put into this that we're gonna highlight throughout the video. Another thing to note here on this first floor, right when you walk in, there is a half bath for entertaining. People don't have to walk into your personal area to use the bathroom. And there's also a cloak closet if you ever want your guests to hang up their coats. We're all about class here. So first things first, we have this dining area that kind of connects our living space with our kitchen. And this is a place that is less of a formal kind of living or dining area rather. And I actually really like that, and especially in modern homes, it's a great way to still have an open concept space, but still also have spaces that have unique or distinct services for you. So from our dining area, we have a cute little nook here. Someone asked me, what would you even do here? For me, that would be looking up recipes, maybe doing homework, whatever. This is a great space just to have some extra counter space. And now we're in this beautiful kitchen area here. Let's first talk about our countertops. These are quartz countertops throughout, and one really nice detail here of the many details in this kitchen is that the island has a different design than our sink area and also the nook. So this kind of makes this the focal point and also brings a different kind of centrality to the kitchen area. So to my right, we have the fridge, and all of the appliances in this kitchen are brand new. No one has ever used it. You would be, the first person to use it. Another great detail here in this kitchen is this awesome oven hood. Not only is it here, for the use of venting, but also it just looks great. And another important thing to mention here are these beautiful light fixtures throughout the kitchen and the dining room. So let's start with the ones over this island. We have these really beautiful geometric pendant lights here that really just add a touch of character to this home instead of making it, a basic kitchen area. And then over the dining area, we have this gorgeous circular light that really allows us to separate these spaces even though it is an open concept eating and cooking area. Another great detail here in this kitchen is this single basin sink. This sink is so amazing. It might be like a simple detail to some people, but to me this is a big deal. Not only is this super deep and it's also great, for washing dishes, but also just for a utility when you have other things that you need to deal with. This is a great object to have in your kitchen. Also, we have this really beautiful backsplash and these beautiful cabinets. Some of them are covered and some of them have this kind of somewhat clouded glass that's great for displaying some things like your wine glasses, your teacups, whatever that might be. And one great thing about this kitchen is the amount of space that you have in your pantry. So just off the kitchen area, we have something super exciting. We have this beautiful patio area. I want you to go ahead and check it out and take a look at the ceiling. Now that we're wrapped up our first floor living areas, we're gonna head up to the second and third bedrooms upstairs. And as we head up these stairs, one thing to note are these lights that kind of guide our way up. Another great detail that these builders put in here. It just shows that amount of time and care that they put into making this house a home. And another great feature that you'll notice as you walk up the stairs is this awesome view of the ceiling once again over the living area and just how high these ceilings are. Now we've made it to the second floor landing area, and as I mentioned before, here on the second floor we have 2 extra bedrooms that are connected with a Jack and Jill style bathroom. So we've made it into one of the extra bedrooms, and these bedrooms are actually identical. One thing to note is that they are carpeted, so it's friendly for children. And we also have 2 windows that bring in some light here and a walk-in closet. And through this area here, we have the Jack and Jill bathroom that connects the 2 rooms. And finally, I've definitely saved the best for last. We have our master bedroom, which you can access off the first floor. And I'm really excited to show you all not only the bedroom, but the bathroom. Welcome to the best part of this house. So there are a couple things I want to point out here. One thing is the details of these barn doors that give you space into the bathroom, and also that leads you into your walk-in closet. I really love details like this because it brings you a sense of home, a little bit of old school flavor in a newly constructed modern style home like this one. Another great detail are these 2 really huge windows that bring in a ton of light. Everybody wants to feel, refreshed in the morning when you wake up, a touch of sun on your skin, something to just make you say, hello, I am awake, I am at home, and these windows definitely do that for you. So, awesome room. And now we're gonna lead into my favorite part of this house, which is the master bathroom. Where do I even begin? I guess I'll start with these double sinks for, who likes to share? I don't like to share. And if it's just you here, who doesn't like more than one? What's better than 1? 2. So double sinks, and we have the same countertop as we had in the kitchen, which is quartz. We have these mirrors over the sink as well, and these pendant lights that bring you a lot of natural light for, doing makeup, shaving, brushing your teeth, whatever you gotta do, at least you'll be in great lighting. Behind me, we have a separate toilet room, so you can do your business with privacy. And the best part of this bathroom is this walk-in shower. So not only do you have a walk-in shower with a rain head, you also have a standalone tub that is also a soaker that gives you this perfect, peaceful, tranquil view of trees and nature right outside this window. That's the end of our tour. Thank you so much for coming along with me. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite room is. And make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any more installments to this series, and also like the video so that we can keep going. Thanks so much.